Alamat, welcome back dito sa aking mini video sa aking channel Alamat ni Mayor. Welcome back my viewers. So I would like to present to you our lunch today. So this is it. So we're going to show you. So this is our lunch today. We have buttered pork with stir-fried vegetables with bechamel sauce. So this is it mga kalamat. So our lunch for today. And I will going also to show you our sidings and our ordef. They call it ordef. So I will going to show you this ordef. This is our sidings. So we have garlic bread, we have stir-fried noodles, egg noodles, we have fried rice. So we also have scrambled egg and tuna. So this is it. So that's all for today mga kalamat. I hope you will going to tune in into my channel. So you will going to be updated and notified when we have a video and the time we will going to upload. So that's all for today. Thank you very much and God bless.